feels really weird. I haven't really talked with you guys in a while. So last time I did, I was like this freak that had braces, and now I don't. But I'm still a freak. Yeah? No? Jenny's sick. Oh, ew. Ugh, ew. So I'm wearing the best day to wear a pink sweater. It's when you're sick. I don't know how to video anymore. I feel socially awkward in every single way. So I'm just gonna smile. So I went to the doctor's today because I'm not feeling very well. And when I was leaving, I mean, who doesn't want a little smiley face sticker to feel better? But it definitely didn't really make me feel better. I mean,
as a young girl, Louis Vuitton on a sandy lawn. As a sophomore, is your bed made? Is your sweater on? Do you want her? Like no I do. Like no I do. Peter Gabriel.
and got tested for strep today, and it came back negative. So that's a positive. That's really weird how that works. Little black kitty, my best friend. I used to put clippets of him in my videos. He passed away. Yeah, he died like a week after I got my braces off. It was really depressing. It was really sad. I cried for a while. For a long while. He was like my best friend. I want to give a shout out to my choir friends in my history class, like Shayna, Mike, Destiny, and Patricia. Yes. Shayna, I've gotten requests from them to like start making videos again. I was like, oh, why not? So if you guys missed me and you guys love to have me back, say thank you to them, especially to Shayna. Yeah. Last year on Valentine's, I didn't have anybody. I was alone on Valentine's Day. I was by myself. I'm not doing that in Dramatica, like I really have a sniffle. I don't only have one Valentine. I have two. I have Jessica, which is like my cute little bunches of sunshine. She's so adorable. Like, hopefully I will bring her here so you guys can meet her. Like, oh my god. And did I not even mention she looks like almost exactly like Ariana Grande. She's, oh my god. Like, you will just like overflow with cuteness when you see her. Like, she's so adorable. I want to pack her up in a little lunchbox and I want to bring her home with me. Keep her with me forever. Second Valentine, it's kind of a secret. It's this guy I've been crushing on, but yeah, and he asked me to be his Valentine, and I said yes, and I was like, how exciting. Because Jenny loves her some Taco Bell, and if I have a friend that loves Taco Bell, we Taco Bell buddies. Got it. Fierce. I've been talking and rambling for a long time, but yeah, I'm back, guys. I love you, and hopefully more videos to come. Mwah! Ah!